this is what a normal equation might look like, right? It could be an x, it could be an x squared, it could be whatever. If I change it so that I put a number here in parentheses, I'll just use h, in parentheses, the parentheses shifts the graph, shifts right or left. Okay? So if I said we had f of x equals in parentheses x minus 3, this would shift it 3 right. Because in the parentheses it's backwards what you think. Okay? If I add a number outside the parentheses, this outside the parentheses shifts it up and down. All right? If I put a number outside the f of x, it makes it bigger or smaller. Guess what a negative out front does? Negative flips it over. So what you're going to be given is a graph, and then you are told how you want to shift it. All right? Can I give you a graph? Thank you. Nobody's talking to me today. Why aren't you all talking to me today? Tired. It's Friday, and you're ready to move on?
I was fired 2 days ago. I've been waiting.
It has been a long week, and thank goodness next week should be short. You all know we only have 3 days next week, right?
You know, the last time we had a 3-day week, it was like the longest week of my life.
Okay, this is my graph. All right, all I can tell you, it is y equals f of x. Now, what I'm going to do, if it's okay with you, is do everything at once. I'm going to shift it up, down, right, all that, all at one time. Is that all right?
Wait, what does the number in front of x do? The graph?
It makes it big, taller, or shorter. Stretches it or shrinks it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say y equals 2 f of x plus 1 minus 3. Okay? Now, according to what I know, this is going to stretch or shrink it, right? This is going to shift it left 1. Do you agree? This is going to shift it down 3. In the parentheses, it's opposite. Outside the parentheses, it's just what you think it would be. Now, how do I draw my new graph? That's all I'm going to do, is draw a new graph. What is this x value right here? It is negative 7. I don't know if you can tell from where you are. So I'm going to put negative 7 in here for x. And I'm going to find what my new y will be when x is -7. Let's kind of think about this. I'm going to shift it, what did I say? Left 1 and down 3. So shouldn't this point now be here?
Yeah.
Right?
So when does the stretch or shrink come into play?
In the middle part.
Oh.
And that's going to be a little bit harder to see. And that's what y'all agree with this?
Yep.
The next point is this one. It is x is what?
Wait, is that just it for the negative?
That's my first point.
Oh, I thought you had to plot it all out. Like.
I'm going to.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But see, I don't know what f of x is, so I'm a little struggling in here a little bit. What am I going to do with this point? This is -4, isn't it?
Yes.
And if I shift it 1 left and 3 down, but then it's times 2.
So there should be 2 left.
No, only what? It's just the down. So this is going to be down 1, left 1 and down 6, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So this one, x is 2. I'm going to go left 1.
Would it be down 6 again?
If it goes down 6, it won't stretch it, will it? What?
Since on the opposite side of the axis, we can go up 3.
Yes.
Up 3.
So it goes back to where it would be already.
No, because it's a left 1.
Right.
Did that make sense?
I'm a little lost. I'm not gonna
So
lie.
you don't. Why don't you move it?
Yeah. Why didn't you move it then?
If it's across the x-axis.
How does
I
it
want
cross
to
an axis?
explain how I know what to do, but like I remember this doing the stretching and shrinking from algebra 2.
I remember not paying attention to the stretching and shrinking.
Ah, yeah. Good job.
Okay, what happens is, because it's a Y stretch, it stretches down 2, so it basically doubles how far apart it is. All right? So since this one went down, this one can't go up any further because it's still, otherwise it would be too much double. Does that make sense? I will tell you, I'm way more concerned about the left-right points than the stretch and shrink. Way more concerned. All right? This point is going to go left 1, down 6, right? You okay with that? What's this point going to do? It's going to go left 1. Chandler? You want to tell them what that one's going to do? It's going to go left 1.
Just down to 3. It's not a real number.
Does it not go down because it would just go less than the?
Yes, we still have to do the stretch, so it's just going to be here.
Does it like also tell you like since it's an endpoint, I want to say that it's like the same.
Yeah, this one went down 3, so this one should go down 3. Here, right? So this is what our new graph looks like. My endpoints move below the axis goes spin tube. Does that make kind of sense?
So the endpoints don't stretch.
No. What we do is we take the graph, basically like we have a rubber band, and we have it attached on each end, and we pull it down. Does that make sense? Maybe.
Not really, but
That's all